Hi there and welcome back to the HomeKit show. This week we're going to be talking about the Eufy indoor cameras, Yeelight's new filament bulb, Nanoleaf's shapes which have been made pre-order this week, Vocolinc sensors, and a new feature to the HomePass app. Hi, welcome back. My name's John from HomeKit Authority, and this channel is dedicated to everything HomeKit, news, reviews, and tutorials. So if you've not already subscribed, then hit the subscribe button and also the bell button to get updated with the latest videos. So starting with the first bit of news for this week. Now, I've previously mentioned the Eufy indoor cameras. These are extremely affordable indoor cameras. Now they work with HomeKit and they're priced at $39.99 or $49.99 for the pan and tilt version. Now the reason why I mention them again is because up until the last couple of days, there has been a pre-order discount, and this has been a pretty good pre-order discount on the already low price. Now that's been stopped now, and that's simply because Eufy have been overwhelmed with orders, and they've apparently sold over 15,000 of these. Now the orders are getting shipped for pre-order by the end of this month. Unfortunately, anyone place an order now, you're looking like you're going to get your order in June. Now I will be getting my hands on both sets of these cameras, and I will be doing a full review, so don't forget to check that out when it comes out. Next up is a new product from Yeelight. If you're not familiar with Yeelight, they are a affordable Smarthome lighting product company. Now they've got a number of HomeKit devices which are more in the affordable range. Now this company, it comes from Asia and it's very popular in the Asian market. However, they're starting to expand into Europe and the US now. Now last year they launched a filament bulb, and they've now launched a new version which is more pear-shaped. Now this bulb is the ST64 and it is available from AliExpress and a number of different retailers. Now whilst you can get a number of different filament bulbs for HomeKit, these are more in the affordable range and they are priced at around $18. Now this is really interesting given that its competitor, the U-bulb, is around $24. That's a big difference if you are on a budget and wanting to expand your HomeKit home. The U-bulb works on Wi-Fi and it's also got its own app. Now the Yeelight bulb is a E27 fitting and it's dimmable as well from 5% right up to 100%. It works with all the big three smart home platforms, but more importantly, it works with HomeKit. It also works with the Mi Home app and the Yeelight apps, so you've got plenty of choice there. But this is a real interesting proposition given its price point, so you might want to check that out if you're looking for an affordable filament bulb that works with HomeKit. Next up is Nanoleaf shapes. Now I mentioned these in the previous show. Now, there was some information last week that suggested these were imminently going to be released based on them suggesting that customers should sign up to be notified when pre-orders would start. Now, I'd received information and I was also very skeptical as well, regardless of this information, how imminent these were going to be. And I was right on that part, as in they're not going to be available until the 30th of June. And this is only to pre-order customers at the moment. If you do want to pre-order, you can sign up at the website for pre-order information and they'll send you an email. You also can visit HomeKitAuthority.com and click in the link in the article which I talk about these, and there's a link that takes you straight to the pre-order page. Now it's really interesting that they're bringing this product out when they already previously bring their canvas out over a year ago. Now I did review the canvas, and whilst I was impressed with the product, it had some good features, I wasn't impressed with the price point. These are very expensive and this product continues to be expensive. They start at $179.99 and there's a slight discount at the moment, but it's still only offering a small discount off them. I think this is an overpriced product for what it does, and if you want to achieve some of the designs which are on the Nanoleaf site, you need to be spending in excess of $1,000, and I think for that kind of money you can kit your entire home out with affordable smart bulbs, say from IKEA, or even spend a limited amount of money on Philips Hue and still achieve a lot more in your home and get a lot more benefit, especially in the HomeKit market. Now they do have an interesting new feature which is called Connect Plus. Now Nanoleaf are not going into a lot of detail about this, but what they're saying is it will possibly allow future Nanoleaf panels to be connected to these. Now whether we'll be able to connect existing products such as the canvas, we don't know at this point, but it's going to be really interesting how they take this product forward. I'm still not a massive fan, but that doesn't mean they're not right for you. So if you do want to check them out, you can check out the Nanoleaf website. Pre-orders are available and they start at $179.99. But again, my advice is you can still get all the products at a lower price, which will give you more value for money. Next up is some Vocolinc window and door sensors that have been rumored to be coming out and have now looking like they're starting to become available. This is based on some European retailers along with Vocolinc's own European site, which has got them listed. Now they work pretty much exactly the same as the Eve contact sensor. You simply fit them onto your door and you can then rig them up within HomeKit to send you notifications or trigger other HomeKit devices. Now the device itself consists of a control unit which fits onto your door along with a magnet sensor. This effectively, when the door is opened or closed, will send you a notification depending on how you set things up in HomeKit. Now they are powered by a coin battery which is said to last up to 6 months. Now in terms of pricing, they're listed as $24.99 on several of the European sites, but also there was a possible leak by Best Buy in Canada which had a 2-pack listed at $49.99 Canadian dollars. Now I've not been able to independently verify this. This was listed on another website and since then the listing has been taken down. It does show this product will be coming out pretty soon. Now the final piece I want to talk about is an update to the HomePass app. Now I've done a review on this app before and it's one of my favorite HomeKit apps. Now if you're not familiar with this app, what it effectively does, it stores and saves your HomeKit codes for your HomeKit products. And then it stores them all in a database so you can then recall them if you need to do that. Now, a lot of people look at this app and don't see the value, but the real value is in it. If you have ever had to build your HomeKit home again and you have had to go searching for all your codes or you've lost your codes, then this app will be something that's very valuable, especially if you've backed them all up. It's also got a nifty Apple Watch app where you can simply just recall and then scan from your Apple Watch. Now the update that's been delivered to the app is in conjunction with Eve systems. When you're adding a Eve product for the first time through the Eve app, it will give you the option to add straight to HomePass. It will then transfer all of the details such as the serial number, the model number, the type of device it is, and also the room it's in. And the only thing that's left to do then is scan the HomeKit code and everything's saved directly into the HomePass app. Now, one of the interesting things is whether other HomeKit manufacturers are going to implement this feature and work with the HomePass developer. Hopefully they will start to do that because it will then certainly make the HomePass app a really easy app to use and something that works, and it just works in the background. Now, if you've not already checked out the app, don't forget to go and find out about this app. For any serious HomeKit user or anyone that's got a number of devices, then this is a really invaluable app. It's priced at $2.99, but it's certainly worth the money in my opinion. So that's the end of the HomeKit show. Hopefully you found it useful, and if you have, then give me a thumbs up as it's really appreciated. Also, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to be notified when the next show is available. Also, all the links are in the description below to everything I've mentioned. Also, if you've got a question or comment, you also can leave it below as well. Also, don't forget to check out our website, homekitauthority.com, and also follow us on the various different social media channels to be updated with the latest information. Thanks very much. I'll speak to you soon.